What's up guys, thank you for checking out this video. My name is Kevin with Nia Design, and today we're going to be installing the new Nia splitters on this Dodge Charger Scat Pack. With the purchase of the Nia sides, you're going to receive all your installation screws. For this installation, we recommend a stubby Phillips screwdriver and an angle driver to install. So a few details about the Nia Sleek splitter. This one's made for the Dodge Charger, which fits the RT, the new GT, the Scat Pack that we're installing today, and the Hellcat. Number 2 is made out of nice thick ABS plastic, so it's a nice quality product. 3, we have it available with the fin or without the fin flush. 4, for your convenience, we pre-drilled all the holes for you, so all you have to do is just self-tap into the car. 5, we also trimmed everything out, so you have plenty of room for your jack points. And lastly, we have the wrinkled finish or the smooth finish, your choice. All right guys, first things first, you want to wipe down the bottom of your side skirt just to make sure you get rid of any rocks or anything that you might have stuck underneath. Just get a rag and wipe it down. All right guys, when installing the Nia splitter, always think safety first. If you're going to jack up your car, use jack stands for safety. In this case, the car is equipped with air ride suspension, and we're using an angle driver to creep up underneath. All right guys, this is a good opportunity to get your friend or family member to help you out. So maybe one grabs one side, and then you can grab the back, and then all you have to do is just get the screws provided to you and present them through the pre-drilled holes, just the way you like them. The good thing with these is since they're flat, you can play with them and you can bring them out as much as you want or bring them in as much as you want. But just keep in mind that all the holes need to be aligned under the car. Once all the holes are aligned under the car, then just self-tap into the side skirt. And make sure you only go halfway. That way you don't over-tighten and strip the plastic side skirt. Now that the back one is done, now we're gonna do is the center one, making sure all the holes are underneath the car. Okay. So make sure you stretch it all out. Align it through the pre-drilled hole. Make sure everything sits properly. All the holes are under the car and not sticking out. Once everything's in place, then just self-tap in. All right, so we have the rear and the center done. So now we do the front and the same thing. Make sure everything's aligned right. And time to drill. All right, so we have 3 screws in. Everything looks aligned, everything looks perfect. Now we just self-tap in the rest of the remaining holes.
That's good.
All right guys, so all the screws are in halfway with the drill. Now is when you come back with the Phillips stubby screwdriver and you hand tighten every single one. The reason why you hand tighten them is so you don't over tighten and strip your plastic splitter. All right guys, so be careful. All right, once all the screws are tight, do the same thing for the other side and you're good to go. Thanks again for watching this video. Please check out our website for this and many other products that we have for the Dodge Charger. Thanks again.